Tomorrow's the big day where we get to see all the cool stuff that Google's been cooking up for a long while. We're of course going to get the announcement and the official launch of the Pixel 8a, and we're probably going to get to see some other cool stuff, maybe the Pixel 9, maybe the Pixel Fold 2, and some other exciting stuff that I want to talk about in this video. But before we get into that, I do want to say, if this is your first time stopping by the channel, thanks for being here. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. Now, let's talk about the big Google event. So Google I/O is a fun time. It's actually kind of a boring event, but we are going to have a lot of exciting stuff tomorrow to talk about because, of course, we're going to get the announcement on Android 15. We'll get to talk about some of that cool stuff, some of the new features. I think we're going to see a lot of new stuff whenever it comes to AI. We've basically seen all the AI rolled out for the last year, other than, of course, the enhanced zoom, which we're still waiting on with the Pixel 8 phones. I'm hoping that they have some discussion on that tomorrow because it was announced in October when the Pixel 8 phones came out, and we still don't have enhanced zoom. So I'd like to hear something about that tomorrow, but I'm sure that there'll be some more cool AI stuff. I'm looking forward to that, looking forward to seeing what Android 15 can do, and of course we're going to have the launch of the Pixel 8a. I have the Pixel 8, pretty decent phone. The Pixel 8a, of course, is going to come out. It's going to be $499. You've been able to pre-order it for the last week. I've had my thoughts and commentary on it. Mine will be here the next day. So according to my FedEx shipment, mine will be here on the 15th. So I will be able to talk about it then and show it off. I'll do my review, all that crazy cool stuff. But if you've been interested in the A-series phone, the new Pixel 8a will be here tomorrow. You can go to Best Buy and pick one up straight out of the store tomorrow if you want. So that's kind of cool. And of course, the deals on that are like $100 gift card. I think Best Buy and Amazon do $100 gift card, and Google is doing like $100 credit that you can use on the Google store. So Pixel 8a, I think we're going to see the Pixel 9. Like, I'm crossing my fingers and saying my prayers and everything else. I would like to see the Pixel 9 tomorrow. And that would be really cool because there's precedent for it. The last 2 years, we've seen the new phone during Google I/O, even if it is just a couple of images and talk about some of the specs. Maybe there'll be some conversation about the Google Tensor 4. So I'm expecting to see the Pixel 9 and 9 Pro. It'll be interesting to see if we get confirmation, though, because the rumors are, and everything's pointed to 3 different models for this fall: the Pixel 9, the Pixel 9 Pro, and the 9 Pro XL. And I'm really excited about that. Why? Because we'll finally get a Pro flagship level Google phone in this form factor. It'll be a lot smaller, more manageable. About a 6.1-inch screen is what we're led to believe with the Tensor 4. I think that'll be really exciting. I really like having smaller phones. I like the iPhone 15 Pro. The battery sucks in it, but I like having the smaller Pro series where it's not something where you're having to compromise on. I don't like how with the S24, it's got a lot of the same features as the Ultra, but it doesn't have the bigger cameras. It doesn't have the S Pen. It doesn't have some of the other features. So it'll be nice to see Google put that in a smaller form factor, and if we get confirmation on that tomorrow, that would be great. And then, of course, the return of the XL. So we're expecting to see a Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Yes, a lot of words. But we should see 3 models. We'll see if we get confirmation on that tomorrow. And the big question mark is what's going to happen with the Fold. So originally, it looked like it was going to be an earlier launch, at least according to rumors. The Pixel Fold got announced at Google I/O last year. It wasn't just teased. It wasn't just, oh, here, by the way, here's the Pixel Fold. They announced it, and they gave us the launch date. Of course, it came out in July, which was 2 months later. So that was kind of annoying. But it'll be interesting to see if we see anything new on the Pixel Fold 2, or if they're going to call it the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, or I don't know what the name is going to be. We should find out that stuff tomorrow, and that'll be great because we'll see what the excitement is. We'll see what the buzz is. And the rumors are indicating that it's going to have a Tensor 4, not a Tensor 3, and I have very much advocated for this. Maybe they even watched my videos because I said it was stupid for them to put the Pixel Fold out so late in the year and give it the same chip that the Pixel 8a has, the 7a has. Like, how do you have the same chip and the same camera in a $1,800 phone that you have in your $499 value series phone? I mean, there was just a lot of problems that we endured with this phone that I hope they learn their lessons on. So that'll be some exciting stuff. I'm looking forward to that. I will have a recap of the event after it happens, so I'll be here to talk about what we got new in hardware, what we got new in software, what we have looking forward to with Android 15, and Another big thing should happen tomorrow. We've been waiting on a couple of features to drop, like Gemini Nano AI for the Pixel 8. It's supposed to be on the 8a as well. It's going to be a developer settings option that you have to turn on so you can use it, but that's supposed to come out on the 15th. And also, I believe we're going to get the unlocked where you can use the display cable for your Pixel 8 or your 8 Pro, to where you can connect that and you can get video up on your screen just like you can with a lot of other phones. This is the first time you'll have been able to do it with the Pixel phone. We've known since the 8 Pro came out that it had the capability, but it was locked off with software. That's supposed to be coming as well. And also, they're going to open it up where you can use the Magic Editor for basically any Android phone. That's supposed to be coming as well. So there's a lot of exciting stuff coming, and I'm sure there's plenty of stuff that I don't know about, that I'm not aware about, that I will be looking forward to as well. I'll be watching the event, and like I said, I'm going to watch it, and I'm going to try and do a recap and tell you all the cool, important stuff. And then you'll see, of course, the Pixel 8a review videos flooding out tomorrow, because since the phone's coming out tomorrow, we should see the embargo lift tomorrow. So all the big guys like MKBHD and everybody else that got one early, you should see the reviews on those tomorrow. And I think that'll be helpful, because if you've been interested in buying a Pixel 8a, if you like the A series, you want to be able to see some reviews before you go buy one. So I fully expect that tomorrow. I am still not a fan of it. I know I've mostly said my piece in many of my videos, but I think at $499, it's just too much. It should be $399. At $499, especially the last couple of months, you've been able to get the Pixel 8 for $549 all over the place. They even had a brief sale for $499. The Pixel 8 is a better phone, and it has a better camera. It has IP68. It has faster wireless charging. You've got just a lot of different things. I can't remember off the top of my head. I've covered it extensively in my videos. So I have mixed feelings about it, but I know some people are excited, so I don't want to ruin that for you. Tomorrow will be the day you'll be able to see all that cool stuff. You'll be able to see the reviews, so you can make a good, educated decision on whether you want to buy one or not. So Google I/O, fancy stuff. It's their big developer conference, and we'll get to see all the cool stuff. So I'm excited to see what happens with Android 15, because that should get announced tomorrow as well. And then we'll find out about what's coming in the quarterly. We should find out what's coming in the quarterly feature drop in June, which is also big. So if you've been waiting, if you've been excited about this stuff, tomorrow is finally the day. It's like the big Pixel day for the year, just like Apple has their developer conference and all that jazz. So if you're a Pixel fan, if you like all this stuff, if you like to learn about software, if you like to see the new hardware, and that's the biggest thing for me. I mean, we might see some new Nest device stuff. Maybe we'll see some other Google products. Last year, if you remember, the Google Pixel tablet also got announced. I don't think we're getting a new one of those, but there will be some hardware that we don't know about right now that will be a topic of discussion for tomorrow. So cool stuff. That's all I got. Just wanted to talk about that real quick, give you all a heads up. Tomorrow, it's going to be happening at 10 o'clock, I believe, Pacific Standard Time, which will be noon here, Central Standard Time. You'll be able to watch the live stream on YouTube if you'd like, and maybe even the Google website. I'm not sure, but definitely on YouTube it'll be available. So that's all I got. If you have any questions or comments or concerns, go to the comment section. If you're excited and you're interested in some of this stuff, go to the comment section. I'd love to hear about it. Are you interested in the new phone, interested in new software updates, new AI features, all that stuff? Let's talk about it. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. As always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys next time.